Bhumika Shah welcomes you all back to another session of your English online classes. So my dear students, I hope you all are studying well at your houses right now. Word meanings भाई खत्म कर लिए हम लोगों ने, total 50 word meanings be completed. And what is your work? Yes, you have to study all those word meanings and also practice to make new sentences in that, right? So अब बहुत ग्रामर पढ़ लिया हम लोगों ने, अब थोड़ा रीडर पार्ट में आते हैं, right? So today we are going to study a poem, learn a new poem. And the title of the poem is The Lord God Made Them All. So today we are going to see the first 8 lines of the poem. Let me recite that for you. So without wasting the time, wear your headphones, take out your textbook. We just need the textbook and get ready for today's class. So you can see the poem. I am reciting this for you. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. तो चलो अब सेंटेंस बाय सेंटेंस हम मीनिंग के साथ समझते हैं कि इन पोएम्स का मतलब क्या निकलता है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट लाइन इज ऑल थिंग्स ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल. सभी चीजें क्या है? ब्राइट है, चमकदार है, एंड ब्यूटीफुल है मतलब सुंदर है. सो ऑल थिंग्स ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल, सभी चीजें ब्राइट चमकदार है और ब्यूटीफुल यानी कि खूबसूरत है, सुंदर है. सो ऑल थिंग्स आर ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल. नाउ द सेकंड लाइन, ऑल क्रीचर्स ग्रेट एंड स्मॉल. ऑल क्रीचर्स मतलब जो चीज क्रीचर्स है, जो लिविंग बींग्स है, चाहे वो एनिमल्स हो, प्लांट्स हो, ह्यूमन बींग्स हो और बर्ड्स, जितने भी क्रीचर्स हैं क्या है? ऑल क्रीचर्स आर ग्रेट एंड स्मॉल. सो दीज क्रीचर्स आर ग्रेट इन साइज एंड ऑल्सो स्मॉल इन साइज. सो सम आर ग्रेट लाइक एलिफेंट, सम आर स्मॉल लाइक एंट, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड दैट all things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. Now the next line, all things wise and wonderful. All things wise and wonderful means things here, things all around are wise. They are समझदार हैं उन लोग, and they are wonderful, they are amazing. Okay, so all things are wise and wonderful. सब में कुछ ना कुछ आश्चर्य करने जैसे कि wow, it's so lovely. So all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Who made these all creatures, these beautiful things, these bright things? The Lord God made them all. Okay, so this was the poem for the first 4 lines. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Now let's see the next 4 lines. They are each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, each little flower that opens, right? Little flower, whether the flower is small or big. So each little flower that opens or each little bird that sings. So example is a little bird, and if that little bird sings. So what it is, what about it's telling in the poem is telling about flower, the opening of flower and singing of bird. So each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. So who is He? He means Lord. He made their glowing colors. Glowing मतलब चमकता हुआ, bright, चमचमाता colors. किसके colors? Flower के. We are talking about flower, opening flower. So we are there itself. It's talking about the glowing colors of flower. He made their glowing colors. Whose glowing colors? Flowers glowing colors. भगवान ने फूलों के glowing colors बनाए हैं. फूलों को रंग किसने दिया है? Lord ने, God ने उन्हें color दिया है. So He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. Tiny wings. Tiny means small and wings मतलब wings means पंख. तो पंख किसके होते हैं? Just we read about birds, right? Little birds. So little birds have tiny wings. So He made their tiny wings. Okay, so let's Read this poem once again. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, he made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. So with this we complete our today's class. So what was our motive today? Our motive was to complete these 8 lines of this poem. Let's recite once again. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, he made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. So my dear students, we completed these 8 lines of our first poem, that was the Lord God made them all. And what will be your work? Your work will be to memorize the 8 lines of this poem. जो 8 lines हम लोगों ने आज पढ़े हैं उसे आपको अच्छे से याद करना है. Recite it, बार बार उसे रीड कीजिए उस पोएम को, उसे थोड़ा अच्छे से गा के पढ़ने की कोशिश कीजिए. राइट? सो कंप्लीट reciting these poems, और अगर आप अच्छे से पढ़ लो तो उसे फिर अच्छे से याद भी कर लेना. Okay my dear students, so your English teacher will be back again in the next class with some next lines of this poem. Till then my dear students, take care, goodbye.